or unboxing the Icom IC-FR6000 UHF Repeater. There's the manual with a different sticker for the options, I think. Then over here, over here we have the power cord, and the bracket handles and the screws. And here we have the unit itself, the repeater. It's quite heavy. There you go, there's the mic connector, but it doesn't come with the mic connector. This is the single unit, volume, channel selector, speaker, and at the back you have the receive antenna and the transmit antenna, and RS-232 connector. So another slot here where you can put the RF6000U, so it can work two simultaneous repeaters, or if you want to put a VHF here, so you have a UHF repeater and another UHF repeater. So there you go. That's the Icom FR6000 UHF repeater.